So, the bus is working now.
Yeah.
But we still have to wash the bus.
Yeah.
Do you have another delivery for me?
Yes! Wait here. A bucket and a sponge.
Oh.
Too small?
Yeah, I'm done.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy,
Dizzy,
Dazzy,